Found a little bit of a gem here. It's, I guess, an ocean turned lake. It looks so beautiful. This is epic. The ocean's just right over there. So far, really good vibes. It's kind of like premature Tulum vibes.
Very, very premature.
I think, you know, more tourists start to come here. It's gonna be very much like Tulum vibe. So far, beautiful place. Just the energy in this area is really relaxed, really chill. You have a good time here.
Welcome to El Tunco. Apparently, what is called the surfing Mecca of El Salvador, even Central America. Lots of boys swimming.
They love me. They've told me. They've confessed their love to me.
Almost
like,
every day.
You.
That happens almost every day here for you. For me, not so much, unfortunately. I'm not seeing that much love. But a guy did hug me yesterday, which was interesting at the grocery store. He was practicing his English, and he's like, "Can I hug you?" When he was leaving, I'm like, "Yeah, sure." I'll show you more of what this town has to offer. If anyone knows who this girl is,
Catherine Diaz.
let us know in the comments. 1998 to 2021. So young.
That's actually really recent, though.
Yeah, it's a couple of years ago. So I guess a surfer who had died here, which is unfortunate to
Was
see.
she surfing? She's a 98.
Yeah, 4 years younger than us. I hate seeing that always. It's unfortunate. I guess this is a nice memorial for her, right in front of the ocean. Beautiful hair. Natalie does get scared of the waves.
Let's go swimming.
She always says, "Can you go in the water first?" I get scared. Because she did get bodied one time by a big wave some time ago.
Once, a few times.
Well, when you were a kid, it happened first.
Childhood
And
trauma.
then the childhood trauma came in and it holds her back. Not sure what this is, all these poles, but this boardwalk is nice. And along the strip here, there's a lot of hotels and there are restaurants too. Apparently, what, this is 35? Oh, 35 a night. It's not
I don't
bad.
know if it's a private room.
No, maybe a private room with a shared bathroom. Yeah, there's a lot of nice places right on the strip here. Check it out. This place is nice, actually.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Papaya Surf Garden. No littering. Right there, that's like a Tulum vibe, you would say, no?
Yeah, for sure.
As you can see here, what they do, this is actually apparently illegal in North America. They'll mix broken glass into the mortar so people don't climb over, obviously. A makeshift barbed wire, you can call it.
Look, you can carve your names.
You want to carve ours?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go on this one right here. That one looks good.
This
What
one?
do you guys think? Right there, yeah. You think this hurts the plants?
Maybe I'll find out. Oh, I should have put no check-in bags. I up. Look how much I'm sweating, by the way. Anybody who sees it, send us a picture. And here we got some of the juices from the cacti. I think you can make tequila out of this, no? I think that's actually what they make tequila out of.
I have no idea.
You ruined my B-roll. And then we got Surf City right here. El Salvador. You see my forehead? Look how sweaty that is.
Oh, look
That's all my sweat.
No, no, ew, oh my god.
You see how grossed out she gets? It's hilarious. Before I have a heat stroke now,
You wanna go swim?
we're gonna go swim. By the way, it's very rocky here. Even near where our hotel is, Airbnb rather, it's very rocky there. It's not like just black sandy beaches. Down over there more, which we'll show you. There's more of a beach. Here there is too, but there's a high tide, so.
This is a low tide.
Or sorry, low tide. Later it's high tide. I'm a bean. Time to go in the water for a bit. I don't want to bring the camera because we have purchased the sponge for the camera. Maybe you've noticed the sound quality is a bit better in our videos. I don't want water to get into the microphone and wet the whole sponge anyway. You understand, I hope. Beautiful. And there's the rock cove, rock formation. Honestly, it's a bit similar to Lagos in Portugal if you watched our videos from Portugal. Well, a lesser version, I would say, but still pretty cool. And the water here definitely isn't nearly as cold as it was in Lagos. We were there in October and it was right on the Atlantic. Here it's warmer for sure. So we got Natalie over there enjoying the water. Honestly, that swim was much needed, much needed. I'm already sweating again as I left the water. Let me check what the Celsius is now. As you can see, 31 Celsius. You can see that, a little rating. It says feels like 36. Very hot for a guy like me from Canada, Czech and Slovak background. This is pretty hot. I am sweating. Same for Natalie, she's Polish. But we do enjoy the heat. Beautiful. Wow. How was that, Natalie?
Amazing.
By the way, today is December 2nd. It's already busy season, high season has started, and it's hot.
Yeah, it gets really hot here.
You think it's worse than or more hot than Guatemala, where we were in, what was the town called again?
El Peredon.
El Peredon. I don't know. To me, that place.
Hotter. I'm like, it's hot. Where there, I was like, this is so nice.
There I was drenched all the time. Here, I'm also drenched all the time, so I don't know. If you love the heat, come here. I think this is like more of a nightclub, day club, nice venue. It's like a Tulum type of vibe, no?
This? Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Beautiful day here in El Tunco. We haven't tried surfing yet though. I don't know if we'll have time, but I would like to. There's a nice restaurant here. Let's check the prices. I think there might be ponies. This is what I used to think. Did any of you think ponies were baby horses that will grow up into become a horse? Or did you think they were, or did you know they were just ponies forever? Because I thought ponies were baby horses. Here's the town. But you like this store, no?
Yeah.
Some bodyboards.
I would do bodyboards. Those are actually fun. Surfing's just like...
It's a lot of work. Surfing's tough. You have to be in good shape.
Garbage at it. I don't have.
You don't have the patience to get good at it. But you do snowboards. And we got the Pilsner beer here. You gonna get one?
Yeah. Where are they?
Right here, no?
$3? Oh, it's cheaper down there.
Yeah, go down there.
That was $3.
We've gotten coconuts for $1.50,
and
$2, not $1.30. Or one, she wanted two. Here, I'm gonna get a. I'm gonna have to get a beer. It's too hot. Gotta get them from the back, so they're cold. It's another local beer. Oh yeah. I would say this might be better than Pilsner. I don't know. That's what our Uber driver said today. He said he prefers this, so, and especially when it feels like 36 Celsius, this helps.
This lady said $2. I'm buying from her. Gracias.
Gracias. Dígame.
That's so good. It's cold too. It's
Oh
nice.
yeah.
This is how you get into El Tunco. Follow me.
And if you're driving a car, you have to go around the pylon, man.
But this is the main street to get to the beaches, all the shops, all the restaurants. This is the street you need to take to get to El Tunco, but this is like the area to be in.
Essentially, this is like a gated off community, pretty much, for tourists. And locals come here too, of course. Papaya Boutique Hotel and Restaurant. Whose hand is better? You guys decide.
Hola! Woo! Woo!
Yeah, people here are definitely not camera shy.
Yeah. Oh, these are so cute.
This one even has a shark bite.
Oh, I like that.
That's actually cool. These are cool.
These are really cool.
If I had a room, I would actually potentially buy one.
This one's so nice. I kind of want one.
I like the shark bite.
I like that. Cool. Or this one's really nice too. I still think this one's the best.
Yeah, with the tour. Con tortugas. It says here $15. 15 USD. This kind of reminds me, if any of you guys have ever been to Tulum, when they still had ice cream bar, this area reminds me of that.
I never went to the ice cream in Tulum.
You didn't?
Only
yeah.
in Bacolod.
They closed it because apparently there were some issues. I won't get into it, but they closed it down.
You get cash here. Sorry.
But this kind of reminds me of that little strip area, which is nice. Good shopping. Got even some food. Natalie looks at everything. Everything she sees, she looks at.
Yeah, I love to just like look, explore, see what they have going on.
This is nice though. I like this little area.
That's a good price.
Mani Petty. How much would this cost in Canada?
$80 Canadian.
In Hamilton. How much would it be in Toronto?
Oh,
Like
I don't even know.
125?
I don't live there for a reason. $80 Canadian.
Ouch, that hurts.
Which that would be, I think, around $65 US in Canada, but $25 for both here. It's pretty good.
They do have some good prices here for us North Americans. Nice. I like it.
That's so cool.
Oh, this?
Yeah, the armor. Little pineapples on it.
Honestly, probably too cheap to buy it.
Alcohol or cocktail popsicle format. That's a cool concept. I like that. Ohana. Handcrafted ice cream. Ohana. Wait for the food review. Muy bien.
1 out of 10. What do you give it?
The cocoa? Probably an 8.
An 8? Mm-hmm. That's it? An 8's a pretty good score, actually.
Pina colada is also really good.
She kept giving me like samplers, and I'm like, I don't want any more. But
why not?
I don't feel like having ice cream right now. But
the pina colada, I would say, is like a 9.
For me, the pistachio was the best.
Yeah, he tried to force me to get it, but I went for this instead.
I'm so red. Jeez. But here's a cool little bar here, and you can see it. That's actually pretty cool. You like the roof? Yeah, that's nice. Honestly, there are a lot of tourists here. When you just compare it to the rest of El Salvador, there actually are tourists here. Oh, okay, so we got some prices here. You're looking to buy some real estate. So $280K for 100 square meters. Yeah, this is all in US dollars. So here's a lot right here for 85,000. Just a lot though. 175K for beachfront property. I wonder how much that would cost in like California. Okay, El Tunco Town Hotel for sale. 10 fully equipped guest rooms. Wow. So for 950K. For under a mil. Prices from 252 to 342. Zone set residences, so condos. Ocean View House, 1.3 mil, but this looks like a castle.
You get a shed in Toronto for like 2 mil. Like.
Yeah, well, like a million, 1.3, 1.4. You got like an old fixer-upper that you need to dump 300 grand into. And then you have to pay an interest rate currently at 8% or whatever, 7%. And now we're back on the strip. Now we're going to show you a bit more of the beach and then a bird's eye view.
Yeah, que tú quieres yo lo sé. Así pegadito y nasty. Que culito este. Es que está puesta pa'l party. Un perrito necesario. Con el compito en tu parte. Con faldita se ve bien chimbita. Está puesta pa'l party. Un perrito necesario. Con el convito en tu parte. En VIP con faldita se ve bien chimbita. La cosa es clara. Si tienes gato no me mires hacia la cara. Ojo con las palabras de pique son malas. Es un secreto pero a Chencho no le asara.
This is kind of where the town ends. There's not that much going on here. We'll go back, show you more. Here it is.
That's cool.
A lot of street art on the walls here, what I've noticed.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And then you just got some barbed wire to add. Honestly, there's no need to have it here, I would say. This is cool. That's actually beautiful.
Yeah.
I wonder how long that would take. And we got a whale here. Check out this whale, Matt.
Oh, I thought you pointed the camera at me. I was thinking like that.
This whale or that one? No, you're not a whale. You're far from it. But you didn't even look at the whale. Look.
No, I didn't.
Is it like,
but I saw that before.
Is it like looking in the mirror? That's a diss. No, that's cut that
Robert
out.
tries to be funny, but he's not that funny.
Another hostel here, more of a hotel. When we were looking, nicer places, something like what we have that you saw in the previous videos, that is definitely like $100 a night here.
More.
Or more.
Like 100
probably US, yeah, US 100 to probably like 100.
Oh, US, right.
Probably 100 to 100 and, yeah, probably 100 to 150. US dollars. It is very popular here. Like the amount of tourists you see here is much more that we've seen anywhere else.
Count on seeing no one. But if you want to stay in a place like that, you have to call Ubers in advance sometimes because it's hard to get from there to here, but
yeah,
you really have to plan. Get the Uber driver's number on WhatsApp, message them, and like ask them the day before, like, hey, can you drive us here at this time or whatever.
Oh, this is cool.
I like this.
More street arts right here, beautiful. Hostal La Tortuga Viajera. Estoy aprendiendo español con Duolingo todos los días. ¿Y tú? Tú solo habla en inglés y un poco polski. Solo un poco en polski. And see this right here? These people are from Canada. Check it out. This camper van, they're actually from British Columbia, fellow Canadians. It's a pretty big mission if you ask me.
This would be cool to do. I'd be down.
And a camper van like that would be great. That'd be so much fun.
Yeah.
We got a beef here. The cat and the dog fighting over the chicken. And here we go. We got some Bitcoin here for all you enthusiasts. This looks like a private street to me with just hotels, hostels, Airbnbs.
There's a bunch of hostels on the side here.
Yeah, and they look pretty nice.
Well, this is probably an Airbnb.
This is definitely an Airbnb or a hotel of a sort.
Oh, watch out.
And the workers here are sweating. Like I would be dying, like horribly dying if I had to work construction in this weather. That would be it. Oh, that car is beat up. These are nice though.
They're really nice.
If you're not working, if you're just on holiday, this is perfect, honestly. I'm sure you could get something for like 30 to 40 US dollars for the night.
Like this place is cool.
Like this is nice. There was a girl there on her laptop, so maybe they have pretty decent Wi-Fi. Layback Surf Hotel.
This one looks super
This one
chill.
looks cool. And this is beautiful, walking distance to the beach. Nice.
Yeah, the beach is right through there.
Yeah, if you're looking to stay here just for a few days, the street is pretty good to me. And then you got the beautiful beach. Be smooth. Lots of surfing. You got the Rock Cove here. It seems like there's a lot of newbies who are surfing. They're trying to get on the waves and failing, exactly like I would be doing it. It's good they're trying. That's what I do too. Oh, we got a guy catching a wave there. Nice. Unfortunately, there is a lot of garbage here, which is shitty, but it is what it is. People just leave garbage, which sucks. People will have fires here and they just leave the ash, obviously. So it isn't the cleanest beach, to be honest. That's it for El Tunco. How did you like it, Natalie?
I love this place. It's great.
It's nice, right? The vibes are very chill. People are very relaxed.
I feel very relaxed.
Yeah, it's nice. Just the waves, the ocean, the weather, everything. And I'm very red. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.